Hi, we have a very good question here from Ma'am A. Domingo. Hi po, ano po yung phone certification exam? Bakit po bumabagsak doon? Tips naman po, ano aaralin ko? Thanks po. Yung phone certification exam, yan yung mag-mock calls kayo ng QA mo, siya yung magre-ring-ring sa'yo, tapos ikaw, kunwari, yung receptionist. And i-apply nyo yung clinic protocols na diniscuss. Usually 2 to 3 clinic protocols yung per training. Depende sa QA. And one of the reasons kung bakit maraming bumabagsak is because sobrang kaba, nakalimutan na, nag-blackout, nanigas yung kamay, andyan na yung sagot sa harap, hindi pa makita dahil sa sobrang kaba. So, control natin yung kaba natin. Make use of the hold. Can I hold you? Yan. Allow naman mag-hold. Inhale and exhale ka. Another reason kung bakit may bumabagsak is during the discussion, hindi ka nakapag-focus. Kaya what I suggest is dapat 101% focus ka sa clinic protocols discussion. Huwag mo nang i-entertain yung mga messages Messenger or Skype. I-off mo na yung wifi sa phone. Take down notes as much as you can kasi yan yung kasangga mo during phone certification exam. Then, kung may clinic protocol na nalito ka, huwag mahiyang magtanong sa QA mo during CAT, Comprehensive Admin Training. Yan yung panahon na mag-focus kayo sa clinic protocols and mag-mock calls din. Kaya huwag mahiyang ialay ang sarili para alam mo kung ano yung dapat mong i-improve, saan ka magaling. Next is mag-mock calls kayo ng kabatchmate mo. Siguro makakahanap ka din na virtual friend mo dyan sa kabatch mo. Mag-mock calls kayo sabay EHR navigation para masanay yung utak, yung mata, yung kamay at bibig during the call. Good luck and galingan mo. Papasayan.